Here's a little later model, a unique specialty in classics. If you've watched our videos before, I do mention we take trade-ins and we get those from time to time. So here it is, 2009 Honda CR-V, all-wheel drive, mid-sized SUV. 157,976 for miles on this one, as you can see, kind of dark bronze in color, I guess if you will. A dark cloth interior. 2.4 liter VTEC dual overhead cam engine underneath the hood. Of course, that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Again, all-wheel drive. Check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Now, you did notice that a little dinger up there, a little spot where there's corrosion on the side. And I tried to picture that all in the still pictures. Also noticed on the hood, and I don't know if I can really get it to show up, but on the hood, there you can kind of see it. On the hood and the roof, there is hail damage to this one, but if you're looking for an all-wheel drive Honda, here it is. You have bucket seats up front, center console. Arms rest will fold down and up. And of course, this is going to have all your modern equipment: power steering, power brakes, AC, AM, FM, CD player, power mirrors. This would have 2-row seating, and then the second row would be able to fold down for more cargo area in the rear of it. Like I said earlier, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just a couple of touched up spots, a little corrosion again. Check that out in the still pictures. Take a peek at the rear seating surfaces. Doesn't look like the rear seats hardly been sat in much. Cloth in nice condition. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. We'll start it up, let you hear it run too here in a second. Power windows, power locks, of course. Let's go ahead and start that so we can get the warning chime to stop. There's exact miles, 157,976. DRL, daytime running lamps. That's just an indicator. And other than that, just the seatbelt light. So no check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. Dash looks like it's in good shape. Steering wheel controls for the volume and stations for the radio. Also your cruise control. This particular model does have the factory sunroof installed in it. That would be power. And let's take a look at these front seats. Not appear to have any rips, tears, or holes in them. Let me pause this a second. I'll pop that hood so you can at least take a peek at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. There's a look underneath the hood. There's a 2.4 liter, again, VTEC, dual overhead cam engine, and a Honda. Say they're reliable. And don't forget all-wheel drive. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. 2009 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2009 Honda CR-V. A little bit of a more modern vehicle for you today. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we wash our vehicles so we can do driving videos for you. This is a very nice vehicle, good running, quiet, smooth. It's an automatic, technically on the dash, I would say. Good power. We're doing a little over 55 right now, and no wind noise or anything like that. Our blinker indicators all work. Our front wiper works. Our rear wiper works. The blower motor does function. Radio says enter code. Maybe Jay went over that in his video. Our gauges are working well. Looks like it says 157,000 miles. Still feels like a pretty new vehicle.